Hello guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create this interactive graph sales dashboard, if you like, with a scroll bar. So as I scroll, change the scroll number here, you can see that the graph changes to display the last 6 months. So currently it starts from 4, which is April, and goes to October. If I increase it to 5, it goes from May to November. So how can we create this interactive graph? So the first thing is I started with this original data set here. It's a dummy data set that I created to illustrate this. So I use Control T to turn this into a table. So this is a selected arrange. My table has headers. Okay. So this is now a table. And then I come here and I want to enter my offset. So let's say I'm going to start with 2, and then I have month and sales. So I can use equal offset to get um the month based on this offset number 2. So I'm going to say I want to start from here. Actually, let me back out and type A1 instead. So I want to start from A1, and the number of rows I want to offset is in F2. So I say F2, and I want to fix this. So I use F4 to fix that. And then function key F4 fixes that. He puts the dollar signs around it. And then the number of columns, 0. So I want to stay in column A where the month is. And then I close this. So actually, let's see. A1. Okay, let's see. Uh, yeah, I want to start from A1 and offset it by the value in, okay, the value is actually in F1, that's why. Okay, so 2 rows down from A1 is February. And then because I fixed the cell, the column remains the same, and I want the row, the starting position to change as I drag down. So A1 is not fixed. And then I drag down 6 rows to get 6 months of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I went 1 over. So like that. And then I can do the same thing for the sales, equal sales. Actually, no, offset. And I want to offset again. The sales is in B1 by how many rows? The number of rows is in F1 to F1. But I fix it again using function key F4. Actually, function key F4. And then the number of columns is 0. And I can drag this down. So I got my range of data for the dynamic chart. And then I also want to insert a scroll bar. So if you don't have the developer tab, I have it enabled already. I have this enabled. If it's not active in yours, you might have to go to File, Options, and then look for under Options. You will find somewhere here. You need to check this box, the customize ribbon, so that the developer tab is active. But mine is active already. So if I go here to the developer tab, I want to insert the scroll bar. So I'm going to go to insert here and choose the scroll bar. And then I drag to demarcate the area for the scroll bar. And I can resize it. Okay, so once I have my scroll bar, I then right click here and I click format controls. And then I have to enter the current value. So the current value actually is 2. I want the minimum value to be 1. and the maximum to be uh let's just say 12 for now since they're 12 months. And then I want to specify which cell I want to link it to. This one here. And then click OK. So now if I click here, you can see that as I click, this offset number changes and the range of the table data changes. Okay, so I'm going to now select this range and go to insert, and I want to insert a line chart. So I choose this, and you can see there's my sales graph. The sales currently go from January to June. If I increment this, if I change this, it goes from February to July. If I change that, it goes from March to August. So that's how you create this dynamic sales graph using the scroll bar and the offset function. So I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe to my channel to receive more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.